A feeling of home. Have you ever longed for a life filled with sunshine, fresh bread, and the scent of wildflowers? That's the essence of cottagecore. It's not just a style, it's about finding joy in the simple things. Picture a cozy cottage, windows open, a gentle breeze drifting in. Cottagecore is about creating a space that feels like a warm hug. It's a return to nature and a slower, more thoughtful way of living. Forget fancy things. It's about meaningful items that tell a story. Maybe a handmade quilt, or a set of teacups from a local market. Cottagecore celebrates the beauty in imperfection. A worn wooden table, a faded chair. Your room becomes a personal sanctuary, a place to relax and be yourself. It's a fairy tale you can live in every day. Think of peaceful activities, reading with tea, tending plants, knitting a scarf. Cottagecore is about disconnecting from the noisy world and reconnecting with yourself and nature. When you enter your cottagecore room, your worries melt away. It's your own piece of countryside, wherever you live. Visually, it's soft colors, natural materials, and personal touches. Vintage furniture, floral patterns, and handmade crafts fill the space. There are no strict rules. Choose what makes you happy. Your space should reflect your unique personality and dreams. Cottagecore is warm, inviting, and full of heart. It's a way to turn your room into a true home, surrounded by comfort. Escaping the everyday. Life is busy and stressful, and your home should be a retreat. A plain room can feel just as overwhelming as the outside world. Transforming your space into a cottagecore haven is an act of self-care. Imagine coming home to your own private fairy tale. A cottagecore room isn't just pretty, it supports your well-being. Soft colors calm the eyes, natural textures comfort the touch, and plants connect you to nature. All these elements reduce stress and create tranquility. This space encourages you to slow down and be mindful. A beautiful room inspires beautiful habits. Think of your room as a blank storybook. You get to write the story. Changing your room is a creative project about you. You don't need to be a designer, just use your imagination. Every choice, from paint color to flowers, adds to your story. Your room becomes a reflection of your inner world. The process is fun and rewarding, a journey of discovery. You'll explore new colors, textures, and maybe learn new skills. Creating your dream room is as important as the result. It's a way to connect with your creativity. In the end, you'll have a space built with your own hands and heart. A space that's truly yours. Every transformation starts with the right foundation. Color. For cottagecore, choose soft, warm, nature-inspired hues. Think creamy whites, buttery yellows, gentle beiges, like a sunlit meadow. These colors make your room feel bright and airy, a perfect blank canvas. Add soft pastels, dusty rose, sage green, pale sky blue. You don't have to paint every wall. Try a floral wallpaper feature wall for charm. Keep the overall feeling light and gentle. Test your colors in different light before committing. Paint is an easy, affordable way to transform your space. Once you have your main color, coordinate wood tones, fabrics, and decor. Cottagecore isn't about perfect matches, it's about harmony. Imagine a garden of different flowers, all beautiful together. That's your goal, a harmonious blend of soft, natural colors. Your room should feel calm and welcoming. Let color set the stage for your cottagecore dream. Now let's choose furniture. Cottagecore furniture is simple, timeless, and full of character. Look for natural wood pieces, a rustic bookshelf, a charming old dresser. Soft curved lines feel gentle and inviting. Mix and match pieces for a collected over time look. Embrace imperfections. Scratches and faded finishes add charm. Thrift stores and flea markets are treasure troves for unique finds. Give old furniture new life with a little creativity. Arrange furniture to create cozy nooks, a reading chair, a desk by the window. The layout should feel comfortable and functional for your favorite activities. Your furniture isn't just filling space, it's helping you live your cottagecore dream. Choose what you love, and let your room tell your story. Make it a space you want to linger in. Fabrics make a room truly cozy and inviting. Layer natural textiles, cotton, linen, wool, for warmth and comfort. Avoid shiny synthetics, choose matte, touchable textures. Florals and gingham are classic cottagecore patterns. Mix them in soft colors. Stick to a harmonious palette so patterns blend, not clash. Start with your bed. Soft sheets, a fluffy duvet, a handmade quilt, and plenty of pillows. Add a chunky knit blanket for extra coziness. Use sheer linen or cotton curtains to let in dreamy natural light. A soft rug made from natural fibers adds warmth underfoot. Vintage style or braided rugs work beautifully. All these layers absorb sound, making your room peaceful. Fabrics are the final touch that transforms your space into a sanctuary. Surround yourself with softness and comfort. Let your room invite you to relax. Lighting sets the mood for your cottagecore sanctuary. Natural light is best. Use sheer curtains to let sunlight pour in. Keep windowsills clear or decorate with a few small plants. In the evening, use multiple small light sources instead of harsh overhead lights. Choose vintage-style table lamps with fabric shades for a soft glow. Warm yellow bulbs create a cozy atmosphere. Fairy lights add a magical, whimsical touch. Drape them around your bed or shelves. Place battery-powered lights in jars for instant lanterns. Candles, real or LED, add flickering warmth. Group them on trays or windowsills. Always use candles safely. The gentle, layered lighting makes your room feel peaceful and enchanting. Lighting is the perfect finishing touch for your cottagecore retreat. Let your space glow with warmth and magic. No cottagecore room is complete without nature. Plants are living decorations, purifying air and adding vibrant green. Choose easy care options like snake plants or pothos. Herbs like mint or lavender on your windowsill add beauty and fragrance. Fresh wildflowers in jars or vintage pitchers bring color and joy. Change flowers weekly for a fresh feel. Dried flowers and pressed blooms make lasting, delicate art. Caring for plants is a mindful, rewarding ritual. These natural touches are the soul of your cottagecore room. Let nature's beauty fill your space. Decorating cottagecore is a treasure hunt. Thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales are full of unique finds. Look for vintage frames, mismatched china, old books, and ornate mirrors. Baskets are great for storage or as planters. Create collections, ceramic birds, perfume bottles, glass jars, and display them together. Use your finds. Drink from a vintage teacup. Store trinkets in an old jewelry box. Thrifting is sustainable and makes your room truly unique. Each item tells a story and adds character. Your room becomes a living gallery of your adventures. Find beauty in the everyday and embrace the spirit of cottagecore. Surround yourself with treasures that make daily life special. Let your space reflect your personality and memories. Make every corner a discovery. The most special rooms have a personal touch. DIY and upcycling are at the heart of cottagecore. Turn old jars into painted vases or pen holders. Swap out hardware on furniture for a quick transformation. Create your own art. Paint simple landscapes or frame-pressed flowers. Upcycling is creative, budget-friendly, and sustainable. Start small, one project or one corner at a time. Let the process be joyful and slow. Every handmade detail adds magic to your sanctuary. Build a cozy, magical retreat that's all your own.